nice.
Hey guys, got something a little bit different today. So I've been doing RC videos and I've been doing Lego videos. Figured this would be the perfect thing to combine two of my favorite hobbies. This is the Lego Technic off-road buggy, which is a remote controlled Lego Technic RC car. Apparently it comes with an ESC and two motors. And so this is probably going to be like a two-part episode. Wearing my hoodie to keep me nice and warm. It's pretty cold. But yeah, so this will be a two-part video. So I'll do part one will be assembling this, and then part two will link it up to my phone. We'll take it out for a drive and we'll see how it does. So I don't really know a hell of a lot about this. I saw it at Kmart and my partner bought it for me, which is very nice of her to do because she knows I love me Lego and I love me RC cars. So this is a present from her. So let's get everything out of it and we'll see how many bags are in there. So pretty big instruction book. Hopefully it'll be enough to get this all up and running. So I'll figure out the order of these bags and what they go in, and then we'll get started, and which is back on in a second when I've got that all sorted out. Alright, so I think I've got everything sorted out the way I needed to. Not gonna lie, I've never actually really built a Lego Technic before, so might just start with putting these tyres on to their little rims, and then I'll get into the actual building of it. So I'm not sure how well this is going to go or how long this video is going to end up being, how much editing I'm going to have to do, but yeah, this will probably be the first Lego Technic set I think I've actually built. It says 10 plus on the box, so hopefully it's not going to be too hard. I mean, if a 10-year-old can build it, I'm pretty sure I can build it. I'm almost 25 now, which is kind of sad to think that I'm a 25-year-old man still playing with Lego, but you do what makes you happy in this life, and if what makes you happy is RC cars, Legos, like just toys in general pretty much, then I say go for it. The biggest critic is always going to be yourself. So, judging by the size of these tyres that I've just built here, looks like maybe 116, 124. Don't know if it actually has a size on it. So after we put it all together, I'll try and see what size it's actually supposed to be, but we've got our four wheels there. So enough talking, I'm gonna get building. Okay, so coming along nicely, got the front suspension there working, this first little motor bit all hooked up, so continue building this. This is taking an awfully long time. It's a lot more complex than I thought it would be. As I said, I've never actually really done Technic Lego before, so this is a interesting experience to say the least. Just worried that I'm going to get to a point where all of a sudden stuff's not matching up is all. Alright, some little extra pieces, bits and bobs floating around, but I think it all came together pretty well. Alright, in part 2 we're going to drive it, so let you know how it goes then. It was a bit of a longer build, this was very finicky, but I'll see you when we're driving it. Till then guys,